Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to name your organization in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. To name your organization in GTA 5 online, start by opening the interaction menu. On keyboard, press the M key. If you are not registered as a CEO or boss yet, you need to do that first. Select the SecuroServe option and choose Start Organization to become a boss. Once your organization is active, open the interaction menu again and go to SecuroServe. From there, select Management. In this section, you will see the option to name your organization. Enter the name you want, making sure it represents your style or crew. Confirm your choice, and your organization will now display this name to all players in GTA Online. With your organization named, you can continue managing your crew, complete missions, and participate in online activities with your new identity fully set. So that's basically how you can name your organization in GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks.